Alright, dude. What are we doing today?
Today, we're gonna install the coils on my car and slap on the new wheel, baby.
Let's see what we got. We got Tein coilovers. And we got Enkei wheels. What are these called again? RPF1's. And just got new tools.
Got some
and yeah,
blue lug nuts to come with this flashy setup, bruh.
Yeah, well, John's really excited, so we're gonna get started now. We're gonna start with the coilovers, just setting them up, I guess. And then we're gonna jack up the car.
We gotta jack up the car first.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. Look at the size difference between these two. Huge difference, especially from this angle. Car is off the floor, guys. Took about 2 hours to get it up, but we finally made it.
Came with a little bit of injury, bruh.
We forgot to break the bolts both times before jacking up the car, which is pretty sad.
So removing the ABS line was kind of hard. There's these two clips right here from the back that I kind of pushed in with a screwdriver, and I just slipped it through the hole down here. You'll see it if you do it. This is the bottom clip, and then for the top clip, this thing, I just pushed on this in between here and kind of pulled it out. It's kind of finesse it. You don't really gotta use any muscle. Alright, next to remove the brake line, and this 12mm bolt right here. Oh, I got it, baby. That shit actually sketchy because I don't. Alright, guys, so we finally got the top crash bolt out. That shit was a fucking pain with hand tools, but we did it. Another thing, later when we install the Teins, I'm actually gonna move the bottom bolt to the top and put my SPC camber bolts on the bottom. People say you can get probably like -2.5 degrees of camber, and that's what I'm aiming for. Otherwise my wheel's gonna poke a bit. And yeah, let's get this next one out. Alright, we finally got both bolts out, and we're gonna let this drop. You want to slowly let go of the jack, and I'll hold on to this just in case.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
More. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's down all the way. And there's no weight on the brake line, no weight on the ABS line. Remove the end link. And now we just gotta go to the top and remove the strut tower bolts.
Should do this last weekend. I would have helped you. Yep.
You got it?
Yeah.
Bro, look at that angle. Oh. Watch out, I might hear a leg.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Good thing we got spring compressors. So we just accomplished something great. We took off the top hat.
5 hours in.
This shit really takes too fucking long with hand tools. I'm just turning for a good like 5 minutes at a time, and I'm just going and going, and it doesn't end ever.
Yeah, so buy
Get power tools and get coilovers that already have a top hat.
No, I think it's worth it for teens because
I think it's worth it if you have the time. But
But I mean 300
It
for a
takes
day.
lot of
Yeah,
time.
it just takes a whole day.
Yeah.
But you save like 400, 500.
Alright, we're gonna install these on the new coils now. Let's go.
Alright, so finally got the coilover on and most of the bolts on. How's it going so far?
Looks good.
First wheel on. How long did that take?
What time is it?
Fucking 2:43.
Let's not talk about it.
It took 3 hours. It took 3 hours, bro, for one fucking side. Holy fuck.
But we actually can't put these down until on the floor. Both sides of the front. The first side took us like 3-4 hours, something like that, because it was the first time and everything was being super difficult. But then the driver's side was super easy. It only took us like 30 minutes to do. So now we're done with that. We're gonna move on to the rear. Pretty simple from what YouTube shows. Just two 17mm bolts and a 14 on the lower control arm, and then from the strut in the trunk, and let it drop down. That's what I'm about to work on now. Alright, so we got the two 17mm and 14mm bolt off, and as you can see, if you would show them, we dropped the lower control arm, so it's just dangling down there. And now we're going up to the top, and there's going to be two 14mm bolt in the trunk once you remove the carpet, and yeah, then the shock should drop.
2 bolts are right there.
Yep. And we're going to move that right now. We're going to need you to hold the shock though.
Oh, okay.
And it drops.
The rear is so much easier.
There it is.
Got it.
Are you recording? Yeah. Alright, and we got the rear shock out. Now we're gonna remove the top pad on this and put it on the new Tein coilover.
Fucking rear was so much easier than the front, dude.
Oh, you gotta get the on there.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Right now, guys.
Dropping the front. Most likely, it's not gonna be too great.
Dude, the jackson was actually stuck. Oh, so obviously we gotta go back and lower that. We don't got time for that today.
Yep.
The wheel is poking a bit, quite a bit. We got down that negative camber. I'm gonna get alignment soon.
Yeah, you can see the poke right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, the back. Oh, dude, this is good.
Is it clean? That's not too much lower.
The front got lower for sure, though.
The rear as well, a little more low. Not too much lower.
That's still pretty low, though.
The rear is flush, bro. Look at that.
Yeah. Let's see.
Flush.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
The front's poking. The rear camera bolts are gonna fix that, or the front camera bolt's gonna fix that. Probably negative 2.5 degrees. Looking clean though. Alright, so we finished installing the coils and wheels. I think it looks alright for now. It needs to be more low, but that's gonna be for another day. I also gotta get an alignment, especially in the front, dial in the rear camber, so that it starts tucking in rather than being all pokey.
Looks good though, man.
But overall,
That was a lot of
happy
work.
with the results. It took a long time. I think we started around 11-ish. It's like 7:20 right now.
It was worth. It wasn't that bad, honestly. It
I
wasn't
think
that
it's
bad.
pretty good for a first time.
Yeah.
It only looks like it took longer because daylight savings, so it'll get dark later. I mean earlier.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah.
It's time to go eat, boys. Peace out.